So today was obviously a little bit more than a larger losing day for me today, and to start the month, it's not the easiest way to start the month, it's not the best way to start the month, but the thing about me is like I don't really let these losing days affect my future trading decisions. I don't like dwell on it, especially after being like such in the green on this account and then having like my biggest prior day being 97K day. It's not really that big of a deal. Just wanted to show you guys that of course I take losses as well, just like anybody else does. And then it's something that it's like, okay, well, I've already reviewed all my trades. I know the mistakes that I made today. It's time to avoid making those same mistakes again, moving into my future trading days. That's simply really all I could do. There's no point to get into a fucking fetal position in the shower like the majority of people do. They lose a few $100 on a trade, send me a DM automatically crying. It's like, bro, it's part of trading. You know what you got yourself into. So really all you could really do, review, refine, and avoid making those same mistakes moving forward. Okay. So this is a trade that I just took on SPX, made a total profit of $24,000, had a $9,000 overall risk, looking to gain $65,000, trying to take profit at the lows and at this area of support all the way down here that you guys can see here is an area of structure based off of this hour time frame. I ended up taking the position, ended up seeing roughly like $20,000 in profit or so. Price pulled all the way back and then dumped down to here where I was up maybe 30 grand. Then as price started to pull back up, I decided to close the position after seeing this rejection and seeing these rejections. I just decided to end up closing the position, which I ended up securing roughly 2.6R when I had a total plan to secure roughly around a 6R multiple on this trade. Still a good trade nonetheless, but just wanted to show you guys that not every trade goes as planned and not every trade is perfect. I was trying to gain roughly 65K, ended up securing 24K and a total of a 2.5. And somebody DM'd me the other day too, they're like, yo, bro, it's like almost like you never lose. It's like fair share of losses as well. As you guys can see, I have 2 red days, but compared to the green days, like if we look at this green day, I did lose to start off the morning, just made that back. Then we have other trades where it's like, okay, well, I lost here as well. So I have my losing trades as well, but the majority of the times I do make that back. Now, this month, September, started off pretty slow for me, but overall, starting to do pretty well. Like yesterday, ended up only taking 1 trade, ended up making money on that 1 trade. Today, took 1 trade, and that's what really helps me stay profitable. It's as simple as if my first trade of the day is green, just walk away. Well, this is how my trading typically goes. So I had my biggest day in August, which was my last trade in August, which was 95K, followed up by a pretty decent sized red day, which I took 4 trades, went on tilt here, definitely, and I ended up making some of that back, ended up realizing a $24,000 loss, which is just roughly around 25% on what I made on Thursday alone. So it's not the end of the world, still very heavily in the green, but it's not the best way to start September, which is pretty funny because even when I started August, it's a red day as well. All right, we're at the casino. We got $2,500. I'm gonna flip this. What do you think I should flip to?
I'm thinking 20K at least.
10K. I'm doing 10K. I'm gonna flip 25 to 10K. How much you bringing today?
500.
How much you turning it to?
10K.
3 bands.
3 bands? Okay, let's see. How much did you bring today?
$400.
How much you gonna turn it into?
10,000.
How much you bring to the casino today?
$300.
How much you flipping it to?
1,000.
All right. So I personally got cooked. I lost everything. What the fuck does that mean, bro?
Donut. 0.
You got. Well, somebody got out alive.
How much I
Yes, sir.
And wow. So be cooked, bro. Straight cooked.
You guys walked away with your.
And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
This week was a pretty stressful week in the markets. Overall, today was a pretty stressful day as well, especially for Friday. So I had called out earlier in the morning that I'm going to be looking for a bounce play at this 55.08 range, which is going to be a previous structure level that price action made overnight. For price action to go up into yesterday's support range, which is going to be at the 58.20s. So I waited for price action to get there, and I took my first long roughly around this area right here at that first rejection candlestick, and then price action dumped a little bit and then hit my stop loss. So I'm down like 5K on just one of my portfolios to start the day. As you guys see, I took this position on 2 different portfolios. And then on this second trade, I ended up taking the position again, almost gets stopped out by a point. Price flies almost to my target, dumps all the way back down to break even, consolidates a little bit, and then goes all the way to targets. I ended up making 15K on that one portfolio and then another $20,000 on the other portfolios you guys saw in the previous post. But overall, today was a super stressful day for me to hold that position. Probably like one of the most stressful 45 minutes of my week. Yo, what do you think about this, bro?
Bro, absolutely stupid ass price action.
All morning, bro. All morning, been dealing with this bullshit.
But even that could change. You could flip the grade.
Bro, my dog's got some serious hops. Freddy's up. Yeah, she's got some hops, bro.
Range all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you.
That's an early birthday gift.
Thank you, son. I appreciate you very much. Oh, I'm not going to use this, so you guys are going to take it from me.
I brought it for the occasion.
Oh, nice. Let's enjoy it. Wow. 1880.
The thing about a funded account at Leveled Up 2 is it's basically like your own personal account. So if you get funded, and let's just say when the markets open up tomorrow, you have a huge trading day, $5,000 on either an 100K or a $200,000 account, and you want to withdraw $2,500, half of that profit, you can withdraw right away. There's no like minimum wait period. There's no withdrawal dates. You can withdraw every single day, literally Monday through Monday, 24/7, and withdrawals are typically sent to you in your crypto wallet within roughly around an hour or two, depending on how much volume of withdrawals is coming in, but it really won't surpass that. So having a funded account with Leveled Up is basically like having your own personal account. You get paid when you want to get paid. It's only right that we're in an 800 wheel horsepower rear wheel drive car that